Today my topic is importance of education in our life. Education is very important thing. We can't even imagine our life without education. I think nowadays women should get proper education. It is very necessary because we have to educate our children also. We have to grow our family, and as much as if we are educated, more society will more educated. Education plays a very important role in our life, sir. Education build our personality. Educated people reflects our own position. Now I am here also at age of 40 to learn something from sir because I need more education to survive in locality, because in Jaipur is very fast city. We have to move here and there. Kabhi sir, sometimes we are not capable to present our things. That's why I'm here to learn. Thank you, sir, and I'm so grateful Raj sir is here to teach me. Thank you, sir.
As you know, my name is Alisha, and today's my topic is important of education. So let us start my topic. So why education important for our life? Because educations to think about thinking and clarity for personalities, and think about how to treat any other person and how to talk other people, and educations to improve ourselves and skills. And the thinking is too much, and woman is also should be educated, because a man educated a one person, we educate a one person, but a woman educate so entire whole family to educate. And education is show our personality, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good morning everyone, myself Amina. I'm hailing from Barabanki. Today we are talking about importance of education. Education is a key of success, and from this generation education is the most important for everyone. From education we can get a good job and make a better future. Education is make confidence of people to work with others. Education is about to learn new things about cultures and something else which you want. That's much.
Firstly, I would like to pay thanks for calling me on podium, and after that I would like to pay Mr. Raj sir, as well as pay thanks audience that are available for listening to me. Today's our topic, importance of education. Just like you know that education is a foster to basic needs of our requirement, and education is a day of the need of the day. Just like I am telling a story, one is my friend in my small village, Raiganj. He born in a very poor family, and in his family no one educated है, but he has vigorous to getting education है. He initially started education with primary school and government college है. After that he went to Lucknow for getting higher education है. After completion his higher education है, he got name and fame in society है, and he provided lot of facilities of his families. So I mean to say that through this story that education is a most important thing for surviving our life. Just like in a biology one chapter reproduction है. In reproduction chapter है, I don't know name of the particular biologist है, but he said that survival of fittest is a very important. Now education has become is a Charles Darwin, and education has become integral part of our life. Without education, nothing is possible in our life. Just like we are collected here because of education. Sir, Raj sir is teaching because of education, and I would like to pay your attention on some legendary factors in our India, just like Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Rabindranath Tagore, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These prominent personalities came in front of world platform because behind of education. And Abdul Kalam is known as father of missile, and he became prime minister, president of India. And second thing, in Mahatma Gandhi is also known as father nation of India, and other personalities is also very famous behind of education. I mean to say that education is a basic pillar. Basic pillar is for getting something and for improving something. Just like if you want to financial stability in your life, so in this case education is very important. Just like you are opening a shop, or for opening a shop for selling your things, first of all you should know that how to accumulate things in your shop, and how will you account your money in your shop. If you are not able doing this, so you cannot you can open shop, but you cannot survive easily. You cannot earn money through business ideas. If you have business ideas, just like in our public sector, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, and MBA, Master of Business Administration. After completion of these degrees, many people are going abroad for earning money. So these phenomena is very important for improving your career, for getting financial stability, as well as many more aspects. I mean to say that I would like to conclude my topic that education is very important for everyone.
And in school I saw quotes that the quote is, education is not learning the fact. Education is not learning the fact. It is the thinking of mind power and mind power. Are you getting my point? Yes. I want to say that nowadays the schools are providing me only books knowledge as what the work of sin theta cos theta in our life. I have studied at 10th class cos theta sin theta, and I have remembered a lot of equations, but there is no use of that equation in our life. Then how type of education we are receiving at that time? I am not say that this is a education, this is a good education. This is good for your professional life, but not good for your social life or your personal life. Personal life should be a feeling. In personal life we should be feelings. The books knowledge not giving me such feelings because. So that's about me. Thank you ma'am, giving this.
I would like to pay thanks to Raj sir
to speak here. Sir, give me a topic. Our topic is importance of education. So guys, shall we start? Yes. Thank you. Success is the key of education is the key of success. If we talk about education is a 3 parts. Like first part of our improvement is a 3 type of, like human improvement is if you are not educated, then you are not talking other person. Suppose that you are going to bank and you don't fill the form, so you can told someone please fill the form. So it is the very importance of education. And if you talk about like our growth, education is the most important of growths, because if you are not, if we are if we are not educated, then we are not growth, because education is the must. And if we are talking about third point, my third point is personal development. Like if you are educated now, then you are looking for other person, your talking sense and your clothing sense and all the things. It's all about my education purpose. Thanks for listening me.